inside the Niger Delta.
Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, Senator Godswill Akpabio, recently monitored key projects awarded by his ministry in Akwa Ibom and Cross River states, demanding that they be completed immediately and put into use to benefit the local populace. The trip to the neighboring states of Akwa Ibom and Cross River, which was part of an ongoing project's monitoring and evaluation exercise embarked upon by his ministry, also gave Senator Akpabio an opportunity to interact with the communities. Correspondent Tekena Amiofori tells us more.
Senator Godswill Akpabio, as part of his recent walking visit to Cross River State, was at the Bakassi Housing Estate to assess the current status of the project. Having discovered that the housing project had reached its completion stage, the minister, at a meeting with Governor Ben Ayade, directed officials of the Niger Delta Ministry to allocate the housing units to internally displaced persons without delay.
So we are looking at some of the candidates from Bakassi, and we are also looking at some of the very less privileged people that work in the power. And we also have something for the catchment area. For instance, the village shepherd there. We would like to have some semblance of authority with the totally fenced ground, and that has been completed by the Ministry of Niger Delta Affairs.
Our laws provides in such a way that states that have so much money coming out of oil are the ones also that benefit so much from NDDC. It is a reverse theory that the Minister for Niger Delta has a responsibility of calibrating the growth process of the Niger Delta. And so for those who earn so much from oil, it is the responsibility of the Minister of Niger Delta to see that those who earn very little now benefit so much from the main ministry so that they can grow along the same level. What he needs now is the glory when he gets to heaven.
While in Cross River State, Senator Akpabio also inspected facilities in a skills acquisition center at Nkot Nakanda. The minister, who was impressed with the quality of facilities on ground, called for an upgrade of the institution to the status of a mini polytechnic.
We are not just building a skills acquisition center. We are building a center that is capable of giving out certificates.
Yes, sir. Like diplomats.
And diplomats.
Yes.
So it's almost like a mini polytechnic.
Yes, sir.
When you are building a mini institution for specialized training and you call it Skill Acquisition Center, I think the name is deceptive.
In demonstrating the federal government's commitment to the sustainable development of the Niger Delta, Senator Akpabio had, on behalf of President Muhammadu Buhari, commissioned the Ibiaku Utits Uruan Erosion Project in Akwa Ibom State. The project, worth over 1 billion naira, was executed by the Ecological Fund Office and is expected to relieve benefiting communities from persistent flooding and gully erosion. Akpabio said the intervention was a reflection of President Buhari's desire to implement life-transforming projects in the Niger Delta and other parts of the country.
I recognize the effort of our dear President Muhammadu Buhari, for approving this ecological project in this community. For the first time in the history of our dear country, we have a very humble and a very simple president who is pro-poor, who is interested in the poor people. I say, may God bless the president.
Akpabio's recent tour of project sites across various locations in Akwa Ibom and Cross River states was undertaken to assess the performance of the Ministry of Niger Delta Affairs, which has a mandate to coordinate all development efforts in the region and promote its rapid transformation.
Inside the Niger Delta.